Hi friends, good morning. Today we have something special to unbox, which is Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Generation 4. This is here with me, and I'm going to show you the parts and ports of it. Let's just have a look at it, and let's have a look and see the configuration of it. Look at this, completely sealed brand new laptop. Look at this. See, here we have the serial number and rest of the details. Okay, look at this. This is ThinkPad T14 Generation 4, which is powered with Intel processor. And here it is, the serial number. This is the MAC address, mail address. And this is the Microsoft key. If you got any problem with MS, like Microsoft Windows, not Office, Windows, then you can get in touch with the Microsoft with this ID. And let's look at the price and at the details. Look at this. This is manufactured in China. It is okay, no problem. We have no issue with China. It is in Beijing. Okay. Then here it is, the model. The weight, sorry, the screen size is 35.56. Like one laptop with battery and adapter, manual, power cord. These are the contents which are there in this. And the price of this laptop is 2,33,928 rupees. This is the MRP. You may get around 2 lakhs. And month of manufactured is 2024. Very recent, 2 months ago. Made in China. It's clear. And here you have some customer support numbers related to Bangalore office. And now let us just unbox it. Let's just open the seal. Let's cut the seal. There it is. The packing is quite good. They don't use plastics much. This is all the main product. Let's just see what else you get. And you get a pack of documents which are this is safety and regulatory information. Yes, and here you have a document. No, this is not. This is a kind of thing inside. And here you have a manual. It will walk you through all the ports and parts of it. Look at this. Here it is. Which is the power button and rest of the details. And these are the documents which you get along with this. Let's check the power adapter. What kind of power adapters you get with this, and rest of the details. Here it is. This the 65 watts USB-C adapter. Look at this. 65 watts. 65 watts USB-C adapter. As usual, you get a power card for this laptop power card. And that's all you get with this. Now let's see how the laptop looks and what are the ports that it has got. Okay, here it is. Let's open the seal. Yes, here it is. Here is the Lenovo. Let's open it. Look at this, how beautiful it is. This is Intel i7. There are two speakers. the touchpad with these two buttons and control button, and here this is the power button. So 14 inches screen it is, and here you have web camera with IR, and this is the shutter where you can close the web camera and open it. Let's look at the ports that it has got. Here have a security lock port and USB port. This is the ventilation. This is very necessary. On this side, gigabyte Ethernet port, and USB-C port for charging, another USB-C port, HDMI port, and USB port, where you can use it for mobile charging, such things. Here they're clearly marked this, and the audio port. That's all the ports you get, and let's check on the back side. Okay, here it is. Refuse ventilation, wide good to see, and this is Microsoft sticker and Lenovo support sticker, and here is the serial number of this. And here I have another serial number sticker. That's what it is. Let's just turn it on and check Google BIOS and see. To turn it on, we have to connect the charger first time. This is purely commercial model. Let's connect it. Yes, here we go. Let's power it on. Keep pressing F1, which will take us to BIOS. Yes, look at this. Here we have some important information. Processor is 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor. Intel 13th generation Core i7, 16 GB of RAM, and we are going to upgrade the RAM to 32 GB. That video will be showing in next video. That video will be like how to upgrade the RAM in Lenovo E14. Okay, that's how it is. It has Windows 11 original preloaded with it. You have to install MS Office and antivirus to be more secure. So this is what it is. That's all it is.